Fk8td. So I'm going to show you guys, well, first let's start with the high flow assembly before I show you how to put it in the bucket. It will come like this, and you will have your fuel pump feed line. We see the regulator here. This regulator is much larger than the factory regulator. This is why it can support a Walbro 450, and the Walbro 450 fits in here. High flow fittings, you have the Venturi that you're going to attach. Now, you're going to put the pump slightly lower than the regulator, and you're going to just put it in the basket, and the pump facing towards the back area over here, away from where the float would be. I just don't have the float attached. There is the Venturi jet assembly here. This is for the Venturi jet. This will go here. Again, heat gun, attach it to the Venturi jet. This plastic clip comes off. It does make it easier to install it, pulling that off and installing this on the end here, and then reclipping it into place. I recommend drilling a little hole here so that you can put a zip tie to hold this Venturi jet hose. You do not want to run it on the inside. The bend is a bit too sharp. You can kink this. And last but not least, you just take the actual hose and connect that to the feed out here. This, like it sits with a DW300C, will support over 630 wheel horsepower on E50. If you put the 6AN feed line to the front, 650 wheel horsepower on E50 or more. And then if you do it with the Walbro 450, it will support 700 wheel horsepower on E50 with no return. So no complicated install, no extra lines, no crazy regulators up front, brackets, and moving everything around. You can, it's a suggestion, not a mandatory suggestion. I have a 10 micron filter. This is not for the back. It would require custom per car because each car has a different setup. So different flex fuel kit, different fuel pumps. And this nice filter, it's 10 micron and will support any power you can throw at the car. There's really just very large 10 ORB fittings. So this filter, again, this isn't going to be an option and a case-by-case basis. And that's pretty much it. How to orient and install the Fk8td high flow assembly.